pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall, then we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Hey everybody, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I am so glad you clicked on this video. I am going to be doing a unboxing for Ipsy, and I really want you to join me. If you are returning, guys, you know I love you. My gems, my babies. I love reading my comments and drinking my coffee every single morning. I wanted the Glam Bag X so badly. I did the spoiler video, and I actually got the Patrick Ta blush and the Huda palette in advance and did 2 looks for you guys with that. But I went ahead and decided that I also wanted the Glam Bag and the Glam Bag Plus for February. So I opened a different account, and they have sent me what they call a welcome bag. So I'm not sure what's in here, and I'm not sure it's heavy. If this is just the plus, or if this is the Glam Bag and the plus, or what. But we are going to open her up and figure this out. So sit back, grab a coffee, grab a snack. Okay, it looks like just the plus. Woo, and it's heavy. Is this the bag? No, this isn't the bag that we just got. So this really is the welcome bag. Ha-ha! Have you guys gotten a welcome bag? They're different? Now, obviously, we know what these are. These are the brushes that I already have, that I just got, and I will show them to you. But I'm totally going to do a giveaway with these brushes because I already have them. It is the 5-piece kit. It has the flat powder brush, it has the small tapered, it has the shader brush, that has the highlighter brush, and the blush brush. So I am going to put this back in here and do a giveaway in this video. I will tell you more about that towards the end of this video. Now we are going to open up our welcome bag. I'm so excited. Ooh, what do we got in here? Did you know about this? Build your perfect bag. Ipsy picks 2 personalized items we think you'll love based upon your beauty quiz and product review. Oh, this tells me everything I've got. Oh my goodness. I see some repeats though. Okay. That's okay. Okay. First thing I see is Buddha cleanser. Buddha or Butta? I don't know. The MSRP. Oh my gosh, they give you prices. I'm shocked. $15. Multitasking formula makes your cleansing routine simple. Just how we like it, it says. Not only does it remove makeup, cleanse, and purify pores, it has exfoliating acids to reveal brighter, glowier skin. Plus coconut oil and lavender extract to help soothe and calm inflammation. Okay, cool. Does it have a safety seal? No. It's got a scent, but I love me some cleansers. So definitely with coconut oil in it, I'm hoping this will work. Like a lot. Okay. Next, is this Florence by Mills? No. Okay, it's a Crushed Kate Somerville box. It has an MSRP of $65. Woo! Okay. What does it say about it? It's goat milk moisturizing cream. I'm pretty sure I've seen this before, but I don't know if I have one. This celeb-loved cult favorite moisturizer uses goat milk, grapeseed oil, and vitamin E to hydrate, protect, and restore your glow. Another reason to love, and it has a question mark, it got a sustainable upgrade and now comes in a limited edition packaging that's made from 25% recycled ocean plastic. Okay. Huh. All right. Moisturizer. Let's see. Woo! Okay. Very creamy, not a scent, but we're going to put a dab on my hand. Ooh, it's definitely filled to the brim. $65. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is what it looks like. I'm just putting some on my hand here. Put a little bit on my arm. Feels like a nice light moisturizer. Okay. A little bit of a glow to my skin. And then, of course, the Laruce Beauty Cheek and Eye Brush Set has a value of $150. We so know that that's just like way overpriced. But that is going to be my gift to you guys. So let's move on to the mascara. Oh, I think, Anastasia Beverly Hills. Yes, Lash Brag. All right. Did we get this? No, I've seen it somewhere. I think it's in next month's spoilers. Oh, let me see. Oh my gosh, I'm not going to open her. She looks beautiful, but I don't want to open her because I don't want her to dry out. So she's got a $25 value. Let's put her over here. And then the last thing is the Doucce Freematic Limited Edition Smoky Pro Palette. I have this palette. I've used it already. I love it too. Oh my gosh, it's magnetic. And it's got a cover for the highlighter. It has a mirror down here. It has a $65 value. Oh my gosh, you are so pretty. I did an excellent look with this. I'll have to link that video in here. I loved it so much because you've got your matte shades right here. And then you've got your shimmer shades to complement those matte shades. It's just an all-around, if you love nude looks or want to do a smoky eye, this is it. This will definitely do it for you. The highlight is stunning. I'm not going to open this because I may end up doing a giveaway with it. It's a very heavy packaging. Okay, so let's recap what we got. We got the cleanser. We got the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lash Brag Mascara. I think that's a newer product for them. We got the Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizer. We got the palette by Doucce Cosmetics. And then we've got the brushes that I am doing a giveaway with. Okay, so now what do you need to do to win these brushes? Well, I would love it if you'd be subscribed and like this video and share it out if you can. That would be amazing. I would love that. You must be 18 years or older or have a parent's permission. And having your parent comment down below is fine too. There are official rules that I will be putting in the description box as well. And what they are is that YouTube is not affiliated with this giveaway at all. The products are mine. I bought them with my own money, so I am responsible for the giveaway solely. It will be an international giveaway. I don't care where you live. It does not bother me at all. And the giveaway will go on from the time this video premieres, uploads, it's made public, until the date in the description box down below. Make sure you comment, enter me, so I know who is interested in the giveaway. And if you have any questions, put them down there too. I love you guys so very much. Thank you so much for joining me for this video. This was a pleasant surprise, a nice welcome bag. And even though I got some repeats, it's okay because I don't mind doing giveaways with them. All right, guys. I will see you really soon in another video, and don't forget to check out my other giveaways and my spoilers. Mwah. Bye. Love you.